Hi there guys, I'm Lovin here from Isham Car Sales, and today we're going to present you the Nissan Qashqai. It's only a 1.2 litre, it's the Connect version, it's automatic, it's petrol, it's only done 6,000 miles. It's got beautiful LED lighting as well. Now, beautiful alloys on this vehicle, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's got 360 degrees view of the car, so we got cameras throughout. We've got one at the front, one at the back, two on the side where the wing mirrors are. We've got plenty of boot space, and then obviously it's variable boot space, so we've got variable floor. You can put that extra storage in there really. As we go alongside, we can see the space at the back. Plenty of space, especially if you've got kids. As we go along the side, beautiful interior. As I mentioned, it's automatic. It's got all the gadgets inside of the vehicle. Reverse sensors front and back, which is using a sonar system. 360 degrees view of the camera. You get the sat nav and this, Bluetooth, cruise control, the whole lot. Fully electric windows, automatic throughout the car. Great and comfortable vehicle to be in. So this is the Nissan Qashqai, priced at only 17,500. If you want to come down and test drive the vehicle, please come to our Evesham branch and I can take you for a spin.